welcome to today's tip. Now I've got a fun one for you today. I'm using some textured paste and I'm using some, I've just got a little bit of free flow magenta and I've got some other paints here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use those, so I'll try and keep it as simple as I can. Now I've just die cut this out. It's a thin-lit die by Sizzix. I can't even tell you the name of it, but it's like a heart's die. It's really gorgeous. And I am going to pop out all of these hearts because I will be using those. Now this is a bit messy, as you probably know, anyone that's used, I just use a paintbrush and just paint them off and they sort of just fall out. And what I've got here is using an old plate here as a palette. And I'm just going to get a little bit of my textured paste out of here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a couple of drops, not much at all, into my textured paste. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it in. I'm not going to be over fussed because it pretty much mixes in as you use it on your palette, and the great thing, on your stencil, and the lovely thing about this is that the white blends the color a bit, and I really like that. I'm going to get a lovely big dollop, but before I do, I've just realized I wanted to make the area that I'm going to work in, I wanted to make it a little bit white. So I'm going to just really quickly grab an old paintbrush, not a new one, an old one, and I'm just going to do some flickers. Okay, so that's dried quite well, and I just want to show you up close. It's just a little bit of splattering, just to really get the difference there with my hearts. I'm going to go over the top now, and now I've got my lovely thick textured paste. I'm actually going to put this on an angle so I can hold it down. I'm making sure that it's nice and straight, and I'm just really going to hold it as flat as I can. And then I'm going to squeeze that beautiful bright pink textured paste through the stencil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to assemble my photo and my beautiful embellishments that I have collected, all matching my hearts and my photo. So I will finish this off and I'll put a final photo in the tip so you can see how it all came together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.